Hi guys, my name is Nilesh Shankar. Till date, we all know Amul is ruling the dairy market of not only India but also the world, giving the local farmers an exposure to the world with good quality of product to consumer. Let's explore the wonder of Amul and its path by which it stands as the most beloved brand in India. In this video, we will study about attention, objective and subjective factors, Gestalt principle, marketing strategies, marketing campaign, and how Amul uses them.
First of all, let's see a visual advertisement.
जरा सी हंसी दुलार जरा सा
The taste of India. जरा सी हंसी दुलार जरा सा Amul, the taste of India.
हो जरा सी अनबन प्यार जरा सा
Taste of India.
बना दे हर पल को जैसे हर पल मस्ती का यही तो अमूल है स्वाद इंडिया का यही तो अमूल है हर पल मस्ती का यही तो अमूल है स्वाद इंडिया का यही तो अमूल है
The taste of India. The taste of India. The taste of India. The taste of India.
This entire video is based on active transition and motion, with a set of stories accounting for the lovely display of their part, each impeaching the trial of diverse Indian food habit. The intensity of colorful background and background music were focused to adorn the meaning behind every scene. For example, when they were showing the South Indian culture, they used South Indian instruments, and while showing the Bhangra scene, they inserted the Punjabi tone. The logo Amul is written in bold red, which highlights itself in a contrast with the background. The novelty factor in this advertisement, the cheesy relationship amongst the Indian family and friends, revolves around the different practices of culture and finally merges as a nation. The signature line of Amul, the taste of India, excites the brand power in the social integrity. Punchline like माँ के हाथों में है स्वाद यही तो अमूल है tries to plug consumer emotionally to connect Amul with traditional taste. In this advertisement, Amul displays itself as a part of every type of Indian kitchen. They are impinging over the character like mother, grandmother, using Amul to serve their children. This psychological factor convinces audience of its purity. Hence the name of this brand lands in the trusted list of the consumers. In this ad, they have ensured the logo Amul on each and every product grab the screen time with a proper mathematical position, which target our unconscious mind. Even the factors of shape, size, focus, camera angle were also very well used to highlight their brand name. This ad displays the environment of happiness and hospitality, since the video is full of activeness that directly connect the idea of good food for good thought. From the childhood birthday parties to the teenage ice cream treat in the college campus to the loving relationship of grandpa and that girl, Amul cards itself as an integral part of celebrating such movement. If we consider ourselves subconsciously or consciously, almost all of us may have been remembered each and every song of Amul advertisement. We murmur it sometimes, and slowly it leads us to the ice cream parlor. This advertisement is aimed to highlight their product with strategy to connect with people's emotion by showing the every culture that every Indian could relate with. It extends their reach to the large mass of audience as they shows diverse culture their food habit, and the rich tradition they are attached to.
At last scene, we see some girls celebrating Amul with a complementary combination of red and green, which integrate Amul's logo. But very cleverly, they use it to make a Tiranga, which indirectly shows Amul patriotism.
Overall, this Amul advertisement connects people emotionally by displaying adorned and hidden messages through their marketing strategical campaign. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Mitali and I'm going to explain you about the radio ad commercial.
सलाम सुबह शाम तो पूरे होंगे सारे काम क्योंकि मक्खन से चलती है दुनिया।
बचपन में माँ से कुछ चाहिए था,
मक्खन लगाया,
कॉलेज में गर्लफ्रेंड को पटाना था,
मक्खन लगाया,
मास्टर जी से नंबर चाहिए थे,
मक्खन लगाया,
और अब जब बॉस को पटाना है,
मक्खन लगाया।
जब मक्खन से चलती है दुनिया तो बटरिंग तो करनी पड़ेगी ना यार।
क्योंकि मक्खन से चलती है दुनिया। Utterly, utterly delicious Amul.
So after listening to the audio, we must have known that it is a radio commercial, and to know furthermore about attention determinants, let's go ahead. A radio ad is usually short and this ad is only of 30 seconds, also known as a jingle. Let's know more about jingle. A jingle is usually short song or a tune that is used for advertising and for many commercial uses. Jingle is also known as a sound. Listeners who will catch a radio commercial ad very easily, they will not notice the jaunty techno beat in the background, but they will of course notice the snappy jingle. So the next time when the listener will see any of your ad commercials whenever he's traveling or something, he will notice it and associate your ad with that jingle, and by associating your ad with that jingle, he will create a relationship with that jingle. So this will also create the likelihood which will then they will choose you next time when they need you. Thus, this becomes a major marketing tool. Now, coming to the factors. So the first factor we have is change. This change factor is very important while grabbing public attention for your ad commercials. And in this ad, they have depicted that there are many stages of development they have shown since childhood to the adulthood when one man starts earning for their home. So and also it also shows a type of story they have included by adding some events from the college life where it draws especially the attention of the teenage group. Coming to the second factor, we have repetitions. And repetition is the factor which is very important again, because in this ad, if you have heard the line क्योंकि मक्खन से चलती है दुनिया, so मक्खन लगाना ज़रूरी है, तो मक्खन लगाया, also this line is repeated again and again. So at first instance, the customer or the people will not notice, maybe they will ignore the stimulus at first instance, but when the stimulus is repeated again and again for several times, it secures public attention for our product, and a repeated stimulus affects attention of our public, which is seen in the repeated advertisement. So a repeated stimulus affects attention, so public recognizes the product very quickly, which is seen in many ads. Third factor we have is emotional state. Again, the word makhan lagana means to butter up someone. So they are using some emotional tactics, which in that song you will see when we confront our boss, we confront our mom, or also our college love, in order to get something in return, something good in return, of course. So again, emotional state is being induced here. Again, the use of Hindi language, which also makes it very effective. Also, when we use some basic rural language when people can connect, the audience can connect the commercial with their sentiments and with their mind. It happens. So, a touch of something funny but realistic is seen here in this ad. Incidents sunk in the commercial are about almost every individual's life that they must have undergone such events once in a lifetime. So, again, which makes our jingle very effective. This jingle is very pleasing to listen and full of vital informations a listener wants to know about, and a new customer base is created just on the basis of few simple lines. As you can hear coming to the next factor, we have novelty. Novelty means something new where these people try to grab our attention and they put something new in the ad. Here, the new thing is the stages of development from, as I mentioned, from childhood to adulthood. Also, the background music is kind of catchy according to the adjustment of high and low pitches. Coming to the next factor, we have clarity. Sound which can be experienced clearly draws our attention than the stimuli which is not much clear. Also, the sound intensity is very high in this jingle, and the sound and the voice in this jingle is very clear enough to draw anyone's attention to this ad. Coming to our last factor, interest. Interest is said to be the mother of attention. We attend to objects that we have interest in. Of course, in our day-to-day lives, we tend to pay attention to the stimulus that we are interested in. So in this ad, there are 3 different age groups targeted, and also the happening things in their lives are being discussed here. So it is easy for the public to make an emotional connection or the bond with the associated brand Amul. क्योंकि मक्खन से चलती है दुनिया, तो मक्खन तो लगाना ही पड़ेगा ना. Amul, the taste of India. Thank you.
Amul and humor. Newspapers are an important part in every lives of people and are reached at every single part of country. Since Amul uses humor in their topical ads publishing, people tend to focus on humor more effectively after reading quite serious news. Amul reflects India's current affairs through humor in their topical ads, right from the sport to politics. Everything get a comical aspect with Amul punchline. Because of newspaper, Amul successfully promotes in remote areas. All the busy businessmen get a 5-second laugh while reading the newspaper. The Bahubali poster, the witty punchline Bahu se Bali tak demonstrating the Amul butter as well as the movie. The Bunty and Bubbly poster, even blockbuster movie gets a witty punchline Bunty or Butterly. Amul wisely uses newspaper with some productive humor for running their campaign. Poster 1, the MBBS poster. Objective point. The intensity of the shades of the color used gets the attention of people. As we can see, Amul is saying thank you to all the doctors by changing the acronym of MBBS. The change in the color, that is the first capital letter having red, and the changed full form of the blue catches our attention. Color using the red color for acronym was a great decision, as scientifically red tend to attract people. Novelty. Changing the MBBS acronym was extraordinarily different, but also using the word Makhan instead of Amul made it more satisfying. By using the Makhan, Amul thanked all the medical servants. Also, instead of using doctors only, they used MBBS to represent them. When looked keenly, the doctors are shown busy and the girl is carrying a purse, which means she has taken time to appreciate them, and so we all should. The 3 characters are shown wearing masks, which expresses the corona pandemic and not only casual day. Contrast. All over the colors are given mild shades and are not chosen loud, which indirectly expresses the seriousness. Subjective factors. Motive. The main motive of Amul was to make the public equally awake in thanking the medical servant. This motive gets fulfilled easily. Mental set. Because of the lockdown and the financial state, people forgot about these angles. So making the mental set of the public aware about them gets fulfilled. Emotional set. After realization of public, they tend to value the doctors and other crookers who helped the country in the pandemic. For few seconds, Amul successfully made India to value and respect them. Poster 2. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan poster. Objective factors. Movement. Prime Minister Modi and our Amul girl are shown sweeping where the attention of public get first. People tend to learn through the visual than the verbal information. Looking at the pic first, people get the idea first. Novelty. Amul has taken the India's Prime Minister and Amul Girl for the movement. It symbolizes that all the citizens of India, the rich, the poor, highly authorized people like PM and or a common man, old or young, all of us have to take the responsibility of cleanliness of India. Colors. Amul has used white color in background which expresses cleanliness, as well as they have used green colors for the tagline which even symbolizes trees indirectly. The brand name Amul has its iconic red color. If look keenly, we are able to see orange, blue, green and white color which gives us the tricolor which indirectly speaks that this movement is of whole nation. Size. The differentiated font sizes have also decided the importance factor effectively. Subjective factors. Interest. Many individuals are cleanliness friendly. This movement is a motivation for all such people and also ask them to keep the locality clean with your personal habits. Motive. To explain the importance of cleanliness to all and making India as healthy as we know little less spread of diseases. So making a healthy population as well as the environment that is our mother India. The tagline Swachh Bharat Abhi Yahan says that we all have to wake up and right now practice cleanliness. Main name Swachhata Abhiyan also come in mind. Emotional set. A feeling of patriotism come in everyone's mind. Cleanliness is the main root of our culture. After reading the tagline, everyone get motivated and boosted up. Habit. People having the cleanliness habit get attracted to the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan more. They try to the put on the more to make the movement successful.
Amul advertisements have been through a long run, and it is equally surprising that Amul has been using Gestalt principles in its product packaging. We all know that Gestalt laws or principles are those rules which describe how human eye perceives visual elements. So let's look on few Amul products and analyze the Gestalt principle used. Taking the Amul milk packet into consideration, we are able to see the continuity principle being used. The curved line shown on the white background has been considered as the milk spilling off. Equally, the closure principle gets applied here as the vertical curved lines shown are assumed as milk spilling off by the people. The similarity principle, the similar shapes of drops of milk shown as if it is splashing onto us as well as the glasses shown draws equal attention. The figure and ground principle, the standing Amul girl having the white background in the behind is still felt as a ground in spite of having the spilling milk texture in the front. Let's look on to the Amul ice cream box. Again, the white background is considered as milk by the people. Amul has indirectly tried to show their quality and says that their ice cream is made only by pure milk. Here the closure principle gets applied. Similarity principle. Similar shapes of the chocolates or the main ingredient of the flavor gets highlighted, and that's why the consumer or the shopkeeper gets to know the flavor by looking at the picture first rather than reading the text above. Symmetry and order. When looked deeply in the blue box, there is a pattern in it, and that's why the Amul, being plain in nature, gets the main attention. When we look at the Amul ghee box, we are able to see the proximity principle. Different images are put together to draw the attraction of the consumers. These pictures are basically of health, growth, shown very keenly. Amul again is indirectly trying to say that Amul ghee is so important for the human health to increase their immune system. The similarity principle gets also applied as all the figures are having only the basic 4 colors. When looked above, the continuity principle gets applied when there are 2 lines covering the border of the box. When we look at the Amul Dahi, we are able to see an elongated letter S in the word Masti, and that draws our attention towards it very quickly. Looking at the Amul dark chocolate packet, the figure and ground principle is applied where the chocolate cubes are shown and has given a realistic look because there is a plain brown background behind them. The similarity principle equally gets applied as the similar size of the font and the color of of the word dark chocolate highlights it. The consumers are also given an indirect idea about how dark or intense in taste the chocolate was. So, in such way, Amul has used the Gestalt principle in catching the consumer's attention and increasing their sales.
So now let's talk about Amul's advertising campaign, relevance and consistency. Amul Girl have select trending topics and events from around global as well as India to maintain freshness in the advertisement too. Amul have chosen topics like sports, Bollywood, politics and related to some current issue. They have not spent too much money in the advertisement. They use wits and humor which indirectly endears their product as they find that they are quick to grab attention from netizens. Eventually, Amul successfully reaches between their users and satisfied the people with their product as respect to their choices. Amul's marketing campaign is studied and practiced by FMCG too, because Amul has become renowned leader by following their marketing principle. Instead of spending money on marketing advertisement, Amul has shared his profit with his milk providers. They have adopted a very good marketing strategy. They even have created the fictional character instead of taking any famous celebrities, which saved the cost of celebrity fees. As celebrities grow old and their market value is not fixed, any scandal can decrease their market value anytime. On the other hand, Amul Girl is a fictional, lovely character which people of every generation like. It's cost effective, it need only investment of creativity. Amul is very active on social media, handle with its witty and humorous comment posts which display very creatively timely punchlines. Amul have reached larger exposures to netizens. They expand their endorsement as these netizens share the applying post which results in free fund advertisement. Amul takes a right decision at the right time. For example, during the lockdown when the government decides to play Ramayan on national television, most of the experts had the opinion that despite having big channels like Sony and Sub, then why would anyone will watch a channel like Doordarshan? So in the result, Amul purchased the advertisement right in cheap cost. Amul knew that people will watch it. Even he knew most of the viewers will be also from 70s, 80s and 90s. So they decided to show Amul's 80s advertisement so that people can be reminded of their childhood and today's generation can be explained how it is used to be in 80s. And we all know that show became most watched entertainment show in the world with
The marketing strategy of Amul. Guys, we know that the Amul has a great marketing strategy. Over the year, Amul has evolved its structure to become one of the most beloved brand of India. Amul Girl, the brand mascot dressed in a polka dotted frock, has become company's nostalgia evoking symbol. Friends, introducing a fictional character added the permanent reputation to the brand. Do you know, from 1966, the much loved icon of Amul has managed to stay relevant with a witty, humorous and family punchline. This fictional character is emphasized over every advertisement campaign, capturing the center of imagination, especially for the kids, irrespective of region, language and gender. Let's explore the important factors that lead to building a stronger marketing network. Brand promising. Ensure to offer a good quality of product and affordable price. Customer segmentation. You know, Amul has successfully reached to every type of customers. For its unique selling proportion, it has been targeted type B1, B2 and C customer through its mass marketing practice. Timely, they had increased the cost of product which was proportional to the number of their increasing consumers. Pricing strategy. When Amul was formed in 1946, consumers had leads to purchasing power and modern consumption level. Therefore, Amul adopted low pricing strategy to make its product affordable and appealing to customers. This pricing strategy of Amul made affordable and profitable marketing for its great audience. Product portfolio. Amul has a diverse range of products which has been able to cater the need of all age group, communities and region. Understanding the marketing strategy. Brand tagline. The Taste of India. The Taste of India is the tagline is considered as a commitment that the brand has made to their customers to constantly innovate, challenging traditional methods to come up with better ones. One of the such example is a skim milk powder, by which Amul has become world's first brand to do this. Guys, the brand had a big task and had to make a quality product that is accessible to every India. And meet this, Amul has built a strong network to supply chain, upgrade their storage facilities and permissible milk products. Do you know the Amul 4 P's? First one product, second one pricing, third one place and fourth one promotion. First one product. Tracks consumers needs the changing lifestyle to accordingly adapt their product. Second one pricing. You know they have a competitive advantage. One is backward integration strategy which helps the sustainability in cost reduction, hence favoring low pricing. Third one place. Holding permissible milk products in cold storage enables them to reach at every nook and corner. Amul has 18,000 mobile refrigerators. Fourth one promotion. You know Amul spend very less in advertising but spend it effectively too. Amul is a highly respected brand and enjoy public interest too. Thank you.